Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned how to arrange the given fractions in the ascending and descending order, isn't it? For that, what have we done? We have taken the LCM of the denominators and then taking the LCM of the denominators, we have found out the like fractions of each of the given fraction. And then accordingly, a fraction having the higher numerator is considered to be the largest one. Like that we have done last time, okay, for addition, for ascending and descending order. Now let us move on to the addition of fractions. We do the same thing here, but instead of arranging them in ascending or descending order, we only add the fractions. Now let us see how we are going to do it. Here, the first one. Add the fractions. 5 by 2, 1 by 8, 3 by 4. 5 by 2 is a improper fraction because 5 is greater than 2. Now let us take the denominators 2, 8 and 4 and find the LCM. First let us divide by 2. 2 goes 1 time. So in 8, 2 goes 4 times. In 4, 2 goes 2 times. Now again let us divide it by 2. 2 goes only 1 time. 1 is smaller, so we put the same number as it is. And 2 goes 2 times in 4 and 1 time in 2. Again let us divide it by 2. So 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2 and 1 as it is. So now let us multiply these three numbers. These are so that we get the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 will give you 8. Now we are going to write the like fractions. Now how? Take the first fraction 5 by 2. See how many times it goes in 8, the LCM. So 2 goes 4 times. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 4 5s are 20. So 5 by 8, 5 by 2 is written as 20 by 8. Next, 8 goes only 1 time. So 1 by 8 as it is. Now take 3 by 4 and find the like fraction with 8 as the denominator. So 4 goes 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Now let us take these three fractions and add them. So we are taking 20 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 6 by 8 and adding. Remember, we should not add the denominators. Same denominator we have, no? Write the same denominator as 8. Don't add all 8s. No. Now take the numerators 20, 1 and 6. Now add 20 plus 1, 21 plus 6, 27. So we got 27 by 8. 8 is the denominator. You should not add all 8s. Okay, remember. So we have only added the numerators. 20 plus 1, 21 plus 6, 27 by 8. Now divide it. It's an improper fraction. Now divide it. So 8 goes 3 times in 27. So 8 3s are 24. Subtract it. You get 3 as the remainder. So you will write it as a mixed fraction as 3 3 by 8. So we have added 5 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 and we got 3 3 by 8. Now let us move on to another sum. 7 plus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 3. 7 is a whole number. So you can write 7 as 7 by 1. Now let us take the LCM of 1, 10 and 3, the denominators. But remember, 3 and 10 have no common factors. So their LCM is found by just multiplying both the denominators. 10 3s are 30. Now let us take 7 by 1 and form the like fractions with 30 as the denominators. 1 goes 30 times. Multiply the numerator also by 30. 30 into 7 will give you 210. Now take 9 by 10 and see in 10 how many times it goes in 30? 3 times. 10 3s are 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 30. You get 27 by 30. 9 3s are 27. Next, take 2 by 3 and 3 goes 10 times in the denominator 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So 10 twos are 20. So we have taken these three fractions and converted them into like fractions with 30 as the denominator. Now let us add 210 by 30, 27 by 30 and 20 by 30. Now let us add all the numerators. 210, 27, 30 plus 20 will give you 257. So 257 by denominator is 30 only. Never add the denominators. Okay. So denominator is 30 as it is. So 30 goes 8 times 240 and remainder is 17. So you got a mixed fraction as 8. This is the quotient 8. It is a whole number and 17 by 30. So 7 plus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 3. When added, you got 8, 1 by 17 by 30. This is your answer. Now, let us take another example. Suppose you are given mixed fractions. Now, how to convert them? First, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So, I have taken first the 4 1 by 6. 6 fours are 24 and add the numerator here plus 1. 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. This we learnt in the second class, second video or third video, isn't it? Next, 2 by 5. 5 twos are 10 and add the 2 there, numerator 2. 10 plus 2 will give you 12 by 5. Next, take 1 by 3, converting it into numerator, into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So, now instead of 4 1 by 6, 2 by 5 and 1 by 3, we have 25 by 6, 12 by 5 and 4 by 3. Isn't it? We have converted all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now let us take the denominators 6, 5 and 3 and find their LCM. Okay, so 3, let us divide it by 3. 3 goes 2 times in 6. 3 doesn't go in 5, so write 5 as it is, and 3 goes 1 time in 3. Now divide it by 2. 2 goes 1 time in 2. 2 doesn't go in 5. Put 5 as it is, no change, and 1 also is smaller, so put 1 as it is. Now we got 1, 5 and 5. Now let us divide it by 5. 5, 1 as it is, no change. 5 goes 1 time and we got 1 as it is. Now let us find the LCM. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 5, 30. Or you can put multiply in any order. 5 into 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 into 5. Anyway, you get 30 as the LCM. Now, let us form like fractions with the denominator as 30. Here we have found LCM so that all the denominators are 30. So, take the first fraction, that is 25 by 6. 6 in 30, it goes 5 times. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 25 5s are 125. If you can't do it, you can do it in the margin. Next, 5 goes 6 times in 30. Multiply numerator and denominator by 30. 12 by 6. 5 goes 6 times in 30. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 6. 12 6 are 72. Now, 4 by 3. 3 goes how many times? 10 times. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 10. 10 3s, 10 4s are 40. So, now we got 125 by 30, 72 by 30 and 40 by 30. All these have the denominator 30, common denominator. So, we made like fractions. Now, let us add all the numerators. So, 125 plus 72 plus 40 will give you 237. And remember, 30 is common. There is no addition or of the denominators. Same denominator 30. Don't get confused. Only add the numerators. So, you got 237 37 by 30. Now, it is an improper fraction. Now, let us convert into mixed fraction. 30 goes 7 times, 210. So, 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, you got 727 by 30. But remember, whenever you have a fraction, it should be kept in the lowest form. But here 27 and 30 have common factors. What is that common factor? 3. So, take this small fraction, proper fraction of 27 by 30 and then divide it by 3. So, in 27, 3 goes 9 times and in 30, 3 goes 10 times. So, now instead of 27 by 30, we are going to write 9 by 10 because we have already converted, we have reduced this small fraction into the lowest terms. So, 7 as it is, and instead of 27 by 30, we got 9 by 10. So, we have taken first 4 1 by 6 plus 2 2 by 5 and plus 1 1 by 3, and finally we have got the answer as 7 9 by 10. So, what are the steps we have taken first? First, converting all the mixed fractions into improper fractions, taking the LCM of the denominators, then finding the like fractions, adding them, only adding the numerators and dividing it by the denominator later, then finding the reduced form of 27 by 30, then getting to the answer. So, like this, we will add the fractions. So, homework will be given. You have to do yourself neatly, draw margins, and many of you are not doing the sums that are explained in the video. You have to do these sums also. Here I have explained 3 sums, isn't it? These 3 sums also you have to do in your class workbook. Okay, thank you.